What's going on, everybody? I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, but you already know that. Or do you? Do you really know that I'm the Time Teller? How do you know that I am who I say I am? Do I even know that I am who I say I am? How would I even know? Oh my God. Who am I?
Write this down. You get to heaven and you don't find me there. You have gone to hell.
It is 2:29 p.m. Let's get down to business. Okie dokie. So, as I just said in a recent episode, I wear quartz watches pretty much every day. And right here, when I ran into the office, guess what? I am wearing this twin sensor Casio. Gorgeous, gorgeous watch. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. When you use those Amazon affiliate links, the channel does get a kickback, and we do appreciate it. All right, guys. So I'm making this episode, and it's an episode I didn't really want to have to make. I figured I would have to make it at some point because there is a fancy schmancy, sophisticated attack on YouTubers across the board. It's not just targeting watch YouTubers, but it is heavily targeting watch YouTubers. Federico over at Federico Talks Watches, he made an episode very recently, I think within the last couple weeks, about this very scam. And it's now heavily happening this week. Today, at the time of filming, when I woke up, I must have gotten like 5 or 6 messages like within an hour of people asking, like, hey, where's my prize? Where's my prize? Now, for those of you who are confused as to what's going on, essentially, I don't know if this is auto-generated, where someone has essentially like a copy-paste script where it is picking up the profile picture of the YouTube channel and the YouTube channel's name, and they're able to just, like carpet a bunch of different YouTube channels, or if someone's actually physically like pushing buttons and generating these accounts. But there seems to be an account going around that uses my profile picture. It's the one where I'm wearing my Wu-Tang shirt and I'm smiling, like I think I have like my thumb up or something, or maybe I'm like looking at I think I have a wall. I don't know. I look stupid. Got to throw it up. I look very handsome, as always. God, I'm a stud. I'm hot, guys. I'm hot. All right. Doesn't matter. If you can get angry, you can get upset, you can tell me I'm ugly. Your mom feels differently. Tell her stop DMing me. I have a girlfriend. But what I'm getting at in today's episode is okay. This is like a multifaceted thing. Number one, that is not me. All right. I will never ever ask for your money online unless it's during the live streams where I tell you to go find your parents' credit card. I tell you where to use the numbers, all the bunch of numbers on the front, those little 3 security code numbers on the back, and you $4.99 a month gets you access to that members only section. Unless I'm asking for that money, it's not me. But again, jokes aside, I only have 2 accounts online that will ever interact with any of you. The first is my Instagram, The Simple Consultant. If you go on Instagram and you type in The Time Teller, guess what? I show up. If you type in The Simple Consultant, I show up. And it's a picture of my bearded face with a blue check mark. Okay, that's why it is stupid how coveted that check mark is. But the truth is, in situations like this, that is invaluable. Having that check mark saying, this is me, and this is the only one of me, all right? Unless that account is talking to you, it's not me. And then my other verified account is this one, the Time Teller channel, which also has a little check mark next to it. So you know that it is me, all right? There is no other way I would contact you. Now, if you write to the Time Teller shop, info@thetimetellershop.com, you'll get a response from me. And that's because, you wrote into the shop and you will receive an email from the shop. But I will never interact with any of you unless it is from one of 2 of my verified accounts. So if it's telling you, hey, you want a prize, talk to me on Telegram. The Time Teller brand, Time Teller channel, we are not on Telegram. We are on 2 places, YouTube and Instagram. And our accounts are verified, okay? Next thing, you should probably be way more careful about giving any personal information or money to anyone online, even if you think it's a YouTuber that you like. All right, I really do appreciate it, guys, that you think it's the Time Teller and you want to support the Time Teller, and I say, hey, you won a prize, all you got to do is give me some money for shipping. What? That's not even a good prize. If you've won a prize and you have to pay for shipping, it's not a prize, it's a scam. Okay, it is a scam. And unfortunately, I'm going to have Gato, my editor, throw up a few examples of this message going around in the comment section of my YouTube channel. Some people are falling for it, all right? Don't fall for it, please. And if you aren't sure, then definitely do what some of these people were doing, where you write to me in one of my verified accounts and ask if it's me. Always ask, all right? Always follow up. Don't just blindly give information or give money online. Again, unless it's the Time Teller, unless it's the Time Teller channel where you want to get access to members only Discord chat. Unless you want to do that, then you can give us money. You can give us money. No, money. But unless I'm like e-begging you to join the channel memberships, or unless I'm telling you to shop at the Time Teller shop, or unless I'm telling you to check out the Amazon affiliate links, that's the only way that I will be telling you to help support the channel and like monetize the channel. Come on, join the channel memberships. There'll be some extra value for you, and you're going to help us create more content. Hey, shop at the Time Teller shop. You support the channel and you get some cool products. Hey, check out the Amazon affiliate store. You'll find some cool products there, and you're supporting the channel. I will never tell you that you've won a prize. All you got to do is put your credit card information here and we'll give you the prize. That is a scam. So for everyone that is asking, I'm making this episode right now so that I can easily just like copy paste this link to all the people that are writing to us asking if it's me. Guys, please, we've been trying to, you can, I guess, block comments, and it's you can do something, it's like hide user from channel. We never do that on this channel because I almost said we don't care, but we do care about the comments. We'd love to get comments, but we don't care about censoring the comments because it's like people will say what they say, and the whole point is to have an open dialogue. We don't delete comments. The only comments that disappear on this channel are if you've done you've said a buzzword and the YouTube overlords automatically scrub the comment. That's a thing that happens because YouTube has very kind of confusing parameters about what they allow online and what they don't. So sometimes there are like auto scrubs of comments. And then if it is spam, if it's spam, then we will go in and delete the comment. And so we've been, for probably the past like few weeks now, we've been getting little bits, like little tricklings of this person, or this entity, I should say, because it's probably not one person, with this stupid Telegram text me you've won a prize thing, and we just hide user. We block it, and then we report it. But again, this is all like serialized. They just kind of carpet YouTube channels with this, and they're always being generated. So the only way we can stay ahead of it is if we make an episode and we warn you guys. So please don't fall for it. It's not me. I have two accounts. You will only ever interact with me with these two accounts. Instagram, YouTube, they're both verified. That's me. And if you have questions, double check. Do not give your information out online. Do not give your credit card information out online. Be smart and just go with your gut with these types of things, guys. All right. Didn't want to have to make this episode. Unfortunately, I have to make this episode. I will catch you on the next one. I love you. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller. Always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.